Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how discover research gaps and generate thesis paper titles in minutes using DeepSeek. So if you are struggling to find a unique research topic or identify literature gaps for your thesis, dissertation, or paper, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use DeepSeek, your AI research assistant, to effectively uncover gaps in existing studies and generate actionable research titles in seconds. So to do that, the first thing what you are going to do, I'll show you how to register to this DeepSeek platform. So the first thing what you are going to do, visit the official website like www.deepseek.com, and then after that you have to click and this has to show on this page. You have to go for start now button to the left side of the page and complete the verify you are human check. So check this button, then redirect to sign up page. You have to sign in here, register from, you have to choose this one, sign up. You have to provide your email or you can use your phone number. Then you have to create secure password. Then after that, submit. And then submit and verify your account. So your registration is successful. After this, how you are going to use this DeepSeek to generate your research title based on the research gaps. So what you are going to do is, the first step will be ask DeepSeek to generate a detailed literature review from recent reputed journals. You can even specify the number of journals to include example from the last 20 high impact papers or reputed journals. So you can even specify the number of journals what you want. You can refer 20 or 30 recent reputed journals. You can write that way as it is shown in this example. Then after that, what you are going to do, instruct DeepSeek to highlight literature gaps in the review. So the first thing you ask it where detailed literature review from recent reputed journals, and secondly you can add ask DeepSeek to include literature gaps in the review. Then after that, use the identified gaps to request 5 to 10 research titles for your next project. DeepSeek does the heavy lifting. So you have to ask DeepSeek to provide 5 to 10 optional titles based on the research gaps. As an example, command shown in the video. Generate a literature review on single point incremental forming from the last 20 reputable journals and include literature gaps. So you can write this way. So based on the gaps identified, you can also add this sentence. Based on the gaps identified, suggest 8 research titles for further study. You can write this way. Then after that, it will provide, as it is shown here, it is analyzing my question. Then after analyzing, it is providing the answer for my question. So this is the literature review as it is shown here. These are recent journals starting from 2080 to 2023-22. So based on these journals, it provides these literature gaps. Based on these literature gaps, it provides optional further study research ideas. By using this method, you can generate your research ideas. As this shown here, these are very good research topics because it is primarily based on recent journals. Then secondly, it analyzed and provide the research gaps. It provide the optional research ideas for further investigation. So that this is a very useful tool if you want to find literature reviews, literature gaps, and optional titles for further investigation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.